Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and take a look at this beautiful handrail from Venmo.
After I remodeled my front porch, I needed to get a new railing and I wanted something that was going to be functional but beautiful. And this is the perfect handrail. I love that it comes with everything you need for all the different installations. They came with a drill bit and all these different kinds of screws and bolts. So depending on where you're going to be installing this handrail, you have all the tools that you need. I really appreciate the design of this and how it's all one solid piece of wrought iron, which is so important with it being outside. It's not going to weaken or have any rust over time. And it was so easy to install. Once you mark the holes, you just need to screw the bolts in and you've got a brand new railing. So it's very user friendly. You don't have to be super skilled to be able to install this. My dad and I were able to put it up within about 5 minutes, and this thing is so sturdy. With older ones in the home, I wanted to make sure that they had something to grab onto so they could get in and out of my home easily. And I love that it comes with these bolt covers, so you're not seeing these ugly silver bolts, and it really just looks so classy. And I am just so happy with the entire thing of this because not only is it going to be safe, but it still looks beautiful on my home.
So if you're looking for something that marries beauty with safety, you are going to love this handrail, and that is my point of view.